Hello, welcome to my tower garden video. This is a video to take you through to show you how I'm able to design and build this tower garden. First of all, I have to take you through the few things you require, like tools. You can see here I have my drill. I have my drill here. Then I have my circular saw. Which the drill will create the holes around the drum. Of course, you need the plastic drum, which is the main thing that the whole thing will be built on. You need a hot air gun. You can equally use gas if you have access to that. That will be faster. Then you need a jigsaw. You need this you need this 13mm tubing. You equally need a 3mm tubing too. Then of course you need a mesh cup, any size that you want. You need your clip. You need your clip, which is this. Then you need a circular device, which I improvised a bottle of wine, which I use to create the shape where the mesh cup will go in. Then I equally use a black tubing to connect the water from the pump to this circular distribution tube I created. Then first of all, the first thing I did was to create a template, which is this, by wrapping this paper around the drum and cut the paper that is exactly the circumference of the drum. Then using this paper as I created a template by designing the way I want the holes to appear on the drum. You can see the various measurements I made, and using your pencil and ruler, so I did that. Then mark all the points where I want the holes to be drilled on the drum. Then taking that same paper back again, I place it on the drum and taped it on the drum, and now follow the markings I have made to drill all the holes around the drum on the surface of the drum. Then after that, because the drum is very thick, if you use your hot air gun to soften it and insert the bottle, you may not be able to create the shape you want. So that is why I now decided to cut this little cutting by the edge of the holes I have drilled using the jigsaw. Then after that, then I used 80mm pipe because I have already decided that the size of the mesh cup I will use is the 80mm mesh cup. So I use 80mm PVC pipe to cut this, which you can see are all inserted through the hole. Maybe I'll show you one. I hope I'm okay. This one is out. So this 80mm is cut this way. It's cut this way, you know, so that it will go into the holes you have drilled after you have softened the drum using your hot air gun. When you soften the drum using the hot air gun, then you will insert the bottle. When the drum is still soft, you put the bottle like this and use water or cloth to harden it fast, you know, so that it will take the shape which the PVC pipe you've cut will now go in, like this. So the PVC goes in like that, ready to take the mesh cup like this. Okay, so now coming to the water distribution, you know, depending on the size of the pump you will use, you know, the pump has a entry where you will, the water pump where you will put the tube. So the one I use is the size of a 13mm tube, which is this one here. So I use 13mm tube to create this round water distribution device, you know. Then using a T, you know, to connect the two ends of the tube, and the other part is where the tube from the water pump will come to supply the water. Of course, you need a smaller T, which is this one, a smaller T to connect the 3mm tubing. So I created holes, you know, and put the 3mm tubing. Because I have 36 holes all on the drum, I have 18 holes on the tubing because I'm using a T. So 18, each of them taking 2, that will give you 36. You know, then each of this is for the plant. 36 plants, that is what you will plant on the drum. So you can see the way the water is flowing. So when you do your planting, you connect each of the pipes like this to the plant. If I will take you back through, you will see the way the water is flowing. You see the way the water is flowing, that is the way the plants will be watered. You can see the plants here. that is the way your plant will grow. So yeah, I think this is looking beautiful, and is quite affordable. You know, the drum is something you can get easily from any second-hand shop. And please like and share the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, put your comment across and your question, and we'll attend to it. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.